Nanded, located on the banks of Godavari, was home to Guru Gobind Singh Ji, 10th Guru of Sikhs during last days of his earthly life. There are many historical Gurdwaras in and around Nanded. We will be covering most of them in this video. Most prominent Gurdwara Sahib of Nanded is Sachkhand Sri Hajur Sahib. This is one of the 5 Takhts of Sikhism. Guru Gobind Singh Ji left for his heavenly abode at this very place. Main shrine of the Gurdwara Sahib is built around the place of Guruji's cremation, called Angitha Sahib. This Gurdwara Sahib was built by Sher-e Punjab Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Located half a kilometer from Sachkhand Sahib is Gurdwara Shri Langar Sahib. It is believed that langar was served at this place when Guru Gobind Singh Ji was in Nanded. Tradition of langar was revived at this place by Baba Nidhan Singh after Guruji gave him darshan and blessed him with words "Khisa mera, hath tera," which means Guru will take care of all the expenses and resources for langar. You just prepare and serve it. Langar is being served at this place ever since, and there has never been any shortage of funds and resources for the langar. Just next to Gurdwara Langar Sahib, located right on the bank of Godavari, is Gurdwara Nagina Ghat Sahib. It is said that a haughty rich merchant presented a precious gem to Guru Gobind Singh Ji at this very place to show off his wealth. To break his false pride, Guruji casually tossed the gem into Godavari. When merchant plunged into the river to recover the precious gem, to his surprise, riverbed was full of precious stones. This purged his false sense of pride, and he bowed in front of Guruji to seek forgiveness. Half a kilometer upstream from Gurdwara Nagina Ghat Sahib is Gurdwara Banda Ghat Sahib. This place was home to a hot-headed Bairagi Sadhu called Madho Das. Guru Gobind Singh Ji assessed his leadership potential and renamed him Banda Singh before sending him on an impending mission to defeat the Mughal Empire in Punjab. Located 10 kilometers south from Nanded is Gurdwara Nanaksar Sahib. It is said that Guru Nanak Dev Ji stopped here for a few days during his divine journey to the south. To overcome the shortage of drinking water, Guru Nanak Dev Ji made a sweet water spring appear at this place that gradually transformed into a holy pool. It is believed that a dip in this holy water relieved pain and sufferings. Opposite to Gurdwara Nanaksar Sahib is Gurdwara Nanakpuri Sahib. Wooden sleepers of Guru Nanak Dev Ji are preserved at this place. Just next to Gurdwara Nanakpuri Sahib is Gurdwara Sri Chandan Sahib. It is believed that at this place, Guru Nanak Dev Ji taught name of Akal Purkh to Gorakhnath and his followers. 3 kilometers from here, there was a sadhu named Ratan Das who was meditating to have a glimpse of Almighty. It is said that after leaving his mortal body, Guru Gobind Singh Ji revealed himself before Ratan Das. Gurdwara Ratangarh Sahib stands at that very place. After Guru Gobind Singh Ji left his physical body, his followers in Nanded were feeling purposeless and hopeless. So Guru Gobind Singh Ji sent Ratan Das to Nanded with a message to his followers that Guruji will always be there with them and Khalsa will always be in Chardhi Kala. Located just outside Nanded is Gurdwara Mal Tekri Sahib. It is said that a hidden wealth was digged out by Guru Gobind Singh Ji at this very place to pay salaries to his army. It is believed that this place was also visited by Guru Nanak Dev Ji during his divine odyssey to the south. The wealth digged from here was distributed to army at the place of Gurudwara Sangha Sahib. When Guru Gobind Singh Ji came to Nanded, first tents were pitched right on the bank of Godavari, at place located 9 kilometers east of Nanded. Gurudwara Hira Khat Sahib stands at that very place and shares a tale similar to Nagina Khat Sahib. Only difference being, here it was Emperor Bahadur Shah who presented a diamond to Guruji. After Guruji flung the diamond into Godavari, Emperor realized that glittering wealth can't tempt Guruji and there is no shortage of any kind at Guruji's darbar. Half a kilometer from Gurudwara Hira Khat, there was a langar supervised by Mata Sahib Deva Ji when Guru Gobind Singh Ji along with his army was staying at Hira Khat. Mata Sahib Deva Ji, also known as Mother of Khalsa, accompanied Guru Gobind Singh Ji throughout his life, even during his battles. Keeping alive the tradition started by Mata Sahib Deva Ji, langar is served at this place till date. At a distance of 5 km from here, located on a small hillock, is beautiful Gurudwara Shikar Khat Sahib. It is said that Guru Gobind Singh Ji came here hunting a rabbit which in former birth was Bhai Mullah, a contemporary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. It is believed that his soul was wandering in different subhuman bodies after he refused to join Guru Nanak Dev Ji in one of his long journey and died of a snake bite soon after. Guru Gobind Singh Ji emancipated his soul with touch of his arrow at this very place. Apart from these historical Gurdwaras, there are a number of other Gurdwaras as well. All Gurdwaras of Nanded could be visited by taking a shuttle bus service from Takht Shri Hazur Sahib. Apart from these Gurdwaras, there is a museum named after Guru Gobind Singh Ji in Nanded. Sikh Itihas is very artistically depicted in this museum. It is a must visit if you are in Nanded. This sums up all the places in Nanded that are having a significance in Sikh Itihas. Thank you for watching the video till the end.